You just found the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. Aim higher than ever in the all-new Silverado pickup, the truck that digs deep to give you more of what you want and need. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, alarm, running boards, side steps, stability control, rear-wheel drive, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Bigger isn't always better, unless you're talking about power and cargo capacity. Don't miss the chance to test drive the all-new Silverado.